Binili kasi ako sa kanya busy book. Yan ang pinagkakaabalahan niya. Diyan siya nag-aaral. So, hindi siya nabuburo. Hanggang 30 pages. So, ayan yung sinasabi kong busy book, guys. Marami siya dyan matututunan. Sa 10.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Good job! Ganyan lang ginagawa niya, guys. What is this?
Panda.
Very good. This one, what is this?
Tiger.
Very good. This one?
Owl.
Oh, good job. Next one, what is this?
Elephant.
Very good. What is this?
Lion.
Oh, very good naman ang baby. Nakakatuwa tong busy book na to. Maraming mga anak niyo matututunan. Good job.
Feeling so free. Every moment is a gift. You cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's coming.
O, diba? Ayan, nakagawa na siya, guys. Ang galing, oh. Very good. Mga animals to, guys, pero mga sheep.
Oh.
What is that? Hippo. Very good. Kahit yung tunog, alam niya na, guys. What is that?
Fox.
Oh, very good. What is that? Oh, yeah, this is a dog. That one?
Panda.
Very good. This one?
English.
Oh, good job. What is that? Okay, put it back there. Very good. Oh, ayan guys, 'di ba? Alam niya na. So marami pang iba yan, guys. So dito naman, guys, ayan mga color, mga fruit. Siya rin ang nagbuo niyan. Siya na ang nagsunod-sunod niyan. Kung gusto niyo matuto ang mga anak niyo, guys, ibili niyo ng mga ganyan. Na-challenge yung utak nila at saka natututo talaga sila. Yan ang libangan ng baby ko. Natututo na siya, meron pa siyang libangan.